The HHOA, in collaboration with the MNRF, completed the annual harvest of 6,000 Haliburton Gold lake trout eggs on Halls Lake on the evening and into the night of October 22nd, 2023. 16 HHOA volunteers and 4 MNRF technicians completed the egg harvest based on the shores of Elvin Johnson Park and on the spawning shoals of Halls Lake. The site was set up starting at approximately 4 p.m., complete with an egg collection room, a cooking/refreshment area, and a warming trailer. Tanks were set up with constantly circulating fresh water on the beach for the fish, male and female, that provided eggs and milt. The harvested eggs will be hatched and raised to fingerling size, 6 to 8 inches, over the next 18 months at the Haliburton Community Hatchery on 6712 Gelert Rd near Haliburton. In the spring of 2025, the gold fingerlings will be stocked out into selected Haliburton County lakes. Eggs are extracted from 1 female fish at a time, then fertilized by normally 2 male fish. The fertilized eggs are then disinfected using a measured solution of disinfectant that does not harm the eggs. The eggs are then counted and transported to the hatchery at the end of the night. All fish, male and female, are released back into Halls Lake. There was no mortality of any fish involved in the egg harvest. At approximately 2:30 a.m., October 23rd, 2023, the site at Elvin Johnson Park was taken down, and all volunteers and MNRF personnel headed home, and our egg harvest site looked like we were never there.